Do you want a cozy pasta soup recipe? Today, I want to share with you how to make one that is easy and full of flavor. The ingredients are 5 cups of vegetable broth, 4 vine-ripe tomatoes, 3 garlic cloves, 1 medium yellow potato, half of an onion, 3 small carrots, 3 tablespoons of avocado oil, 7 ounces of fideo, and salt to taste depending on the vegetable broth that you used. Fideo is a thin pasta used in various recipes in Mexico, typically about 3 centimeters long and only 1 to 2 millimeters wide. It is made out of 100% durum wheat, so it's already plant-based. I already have a video on the dried version of fideo, which I will link down below, but this version is more of a soup that can be a full meal. Roughly chop and blend the tomatoes. The basis of this recipe starts with lightly pan frying the pasta, then adding a tomato, onion, and garlic sauce. From there, families like to have their own take on it, therefore creating various recipes throughout Mexico. Growing up, my mom liked to add some more vegetables to the soup to make it a little bit more hearty, which is the way that I'll be presenting it to you today. Saute the potatoes and carrots for about 5 minutes. Add the fideos and saute until golden for about 3 minutes. Then add the garlic and stir for about 1 more minute. Carefully add the tomato sauce, then the vegetable broth. I know, it smells so good, you guys. It's been a while since I've had fideos and I'm so ready to eat it. Check for salt and cook for 15 minutes. As a child, we enjoyed this soup during a cold day, serving it with a side of beans and tortillas. So I really hope that you get to enjoy this cozy soup during this season as well. And if you're looking for other cozy recipes, I'll make sure to leave one here. Buen provecho.